This is a 2009 GMC Acadia, a drive-in shape that provides endless luxury. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, keyless entry, CD player which is capable of reading MP3s, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.